How to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam problem. So let me inform you that this issue usually occurs when your phone number is banned. This might happen due to multiple reasons including your activities violating WhatsApp terms of services, like using the third-party app to access WhatsApp, sending too many messages or calls, or spamming other users. So if your phone number is banned, you won't be able to create account on WhatsApp using that phone number. So in most cases, it will be very easy to fix this issue. The only method you can apply in order to fix this issue is uninstalling the existing applications of WhatsApp and reinstalling it from any app store. You can simply open the Play Store or App Store depending upon your device and search for WhatsApp. So, if you uninstall the WhatsApp, you'll find the install button and you can easily tap on install and install WhatsApp Messenger application. I already have installed it, so that's why I don't require to reinstall it. So in most cases, this will fix your issue of this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam problem. But if it is not working for you, you can contact WhatsApp support team. For that, you have to open any browser of your choice. Once you open on the web address bar, you can type in for WhatsApp Help Center. So on this results section, you can see contact WhatsApp. Tap on it. And here at the first option only, you'll be able to find out WhatsApp Messenger support. So you need to select contact us highlighted in blue in color link. So once you get access to this section, you have to scroll down, enter the phone number, email address, confirm email address and the device you have been using, and here you need to enter your message below, the issue you have been currently facing. So if you are unaware about what to describe here, you can simply copy paste that I have written here. That is, hi team, my phone number has been banned from WhatsApp by mistake. Could you please kindly fix the problem? Thanks. You can select the next step button. Then once you select it, you can easily submit your request or the issue of the description or the description of the issue on WhatsApp, and WhatsApp will help you to fix the issue within some hours, and then you can easily fix this issue. Then lastly, make sure to follow WhatsApp terms of service to avoid getting banned of your numbers on WhatsApp. So this is the way you can follow to fix your issue. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.